Alam mo ba na ang pinakamalaking pwedeng i-trade mo sa Forex ay ang standard lot? So let's talk about earnings in standard lot. Alam mo ba na ang value ng standard lot is 1 standard lot is equals to 100,000 units. So ibig sabihin, halimbawa, nagtitrade ka ng AUD/USD na ang lot size mo ay 1 standard lot, ibig sabihin lang niyan ay nagtitrade ka or nagkicarry ka ng 100,000 OC. So, review ulit tayo ng pips AUD/USD. Ang pinapasa po natin sa pips ay yung 3rd and 4th decimal places. So, for example, the current exchange rate is 1.4745. Ito po yung pips dyan, yung 4 and 5 sa dulo. So, reading tayo ng pips. Try natin kung natatandaan mo. So, 1.4745, umingkrease siya ng 1.4750. Ilang pips ang kinita mo? So, that's 5 pips. So, sabihin natin na nagtitrade ka ng 1 standard lot. Ang kinita mo ay 5 pips. Ito po ang computation for that. 1 lot times 5 pips times $10. Ibig sabihin po kasi, ang value per pip ng standard lot ay $10. So, multiply mo lang sila lahat, you'll get $50. Yan ang total profit mo. Sample computation number 2. Halimbawa, kay USD CHF, nag-trade ka naman ng 2 standard lots and then 50 pips yung kinita mo. 2 standard lots times 50 pips times the value per pip ng standard lot, which is 10, constant yan. So you'll get $1,000. Yan ang potential earning mo. So that's how you compute for standard lot.